Alright, sorry about that. Hopefully I got everything working. Like I said, I'm trying to figure out ways to get my camera on the dash so I can drive with two hands safely. And, kind of struggling with just trying to figure out how this is all going to work, where I can do it as safe as possible so I don't hurt someone else or myself. So like I said, today, let's drive to get a haircut. I was saying before earlier in the video, I don't know if I'm going to have to do a retake, so I might as well just start all over from scratch. Yeah, basically I used to go to a barber shop and get my hair cut from the same guy for about 20 years. Unfortunately, he started to get a little old and his hands started to get a little shaky, and I still kept going to him until he himself actually retired. So then I had to find another place to get a haircut. And I had a lot of anxiety about it, I'm not going to lie. I don't know why, but it was just very nerve-wracking for me to find someone else to cut my hair. I really like my hair, and I hate it when it gets messed up. And very rarely in my life have I had a bad haircut, because I went to him for so long. So I started to look around, and I found a place. At the time, I lived over there in some really, really nice apartments, upper middle class apartments over there in 19th and Maryland. I know that area has been known to be ghetto, but it has some weird, very nice houses there, some very nice houses there, some very nice townhouses, and I happened to have one really nice apartment complex, and it had a masseuse on site. It had a movie theater on site for residents to use. A beautiful lounge over there with some beautiful pools and hot dogs. It was just a gorgeous place to live. But anyways, so I found a guy there, and he actually had the same first name as me. I tried it. Just some Great Clips barber. I was really nervous because I'd never been to like a cheap hair cutting place like a Great Clips. And well, lo and behold, he did a great job on my hair. I only went to him for another 2 years before I moved out of that area. So then I just decided to check the place closest to the new area. Most of these people who work at like Great Clips, I don't go to Supercuts because unfortunately I had a couple of really bad experiences there. Sorry, Supercuts, you burned me. Two times is too many, unfortunately. But anyway, so I stopped going to Supercuts. I will never go to a Supercut again just because I was two really, really bad experiences. Not just with the haircut, but with the customer service. One time a lady at Great Clips screwed up my hair, but they were more than happy to fix this and give me a free haircut as well. Ooh, look at this G-Wagon, guys. My camera would focus. Ooh, yeah. That is a sexy-ass G-Wagon. Ooh, God, I would love to have that car. That new Voss gym. My mom and sister actually had a gym memberships here. Man, I grew up around this area. I used to be skating on my skateboard all throughout this parking lot. I would get chased out by the security guards all the damn time. And I actually befriended one of the security guards, and he would look the other way so long as we didn't cause any customer complaints. Or not, tenant complaints, sorry. And customer complaints, I guess. Here's Gordy's Bikes, sorry. That's a great bike shop for someone if you're looking for replacement bike parts or someone who just has a lot of knowledge on bikes. It's a great place to go. Here is Daddy-O's. I go here all the time just to get a drink or two. I'm not a huge drinker, so I don't go often, but often enough. This is one of the nicer, slower paced bar and grill where you can go shoot darts, do karaoke, I think on Wednesday nights, and play some pool, shoot some pool. So there's Cyber Zone. I've been going there. I was actually one of the first customers to enter that establishment when it first opened. One of the first internet cafes to open up here in Phoenix. It was actually the second one. I was the first customer there, and I have been a member and gone back and forth ever since. Look at here, what do we got here? Someone kind of living in their Winnebago here, kind of creepy. I'm sure they're not creepy people. I'm sure they're just kind of easygoing people, but It always weirds me out when I see someone living in like the Winnebago or RV style vehicle. Okay, guys, here I am with my Hope Kids mask. So, um, ready to get myself a haircut. I definitely can use one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Um, but yeah, I've been going to this place for quite some time, so hopefully I'm in and out. Like I said, I don't like to hang out very much, so I wear this mask. I actually got it from Hope Kids, an organization that me and my family are part of, and they are a great organization that helps a lot of kids who have either rare illnesses, lifelong illnesses, illnesses that are life shortening or life debilitating. And so you can go to hopekids.com and check them out and see what they're about. And if you feel inclined, make a donation and help them out. Because, like I said, they do a lot of great things and they help a lot of people out, like me and my family included. So they're an amazing organization full of amazing people. And I just wanted to say thank you again, Hope Kids. All right, I'm going to get a haircut, guys. All right, guys, I'm a new man. Just got my haircut, so I'm gonna run home, rinse off, and then hopefully it'll be time for me to take my truck into the mechanics and get that AC fixed. Beautiful, sunny day, spring day. Not too hot, not too cool. Even though there's a heat divider, this is perfect for me. Yeah, I found out I got a screwdriver in my pocket, so that's kind of painful. There it is. All right, going home to rinse off, guys. Leaving the good old Deer Valley Center behind. Oh, here's a great ice cream shop, guys. I gotta make a little detour to show you guys this because this place is really great. And then they have a membership. They have membership benefits for signing up. Like every 8 ice cream cone or smoothie, whenever you get a free one, and they always give great deals out to their members who sign up for their newsletter. Go there, Desert Swirl. Oh, this looks just like my dad's. Damn, that's exactly like my dad's. Is it a Gladiator? No, it's a Sport. My dad has the. Well, that is a Gladiator. Sorry, but he has the Rubicon. That was just the Gladiator Sport. Same color though, and same hood actually, which is a little interesting. But yeah, this has been growing. When I was a little kid, you know, growing up around here, there was nothing to it. And now there's actually quite a bit. There was no dormitories here. There was just a couple of buildings, and now it's ballooned up. So ASU, one of the biggest colleges out there, one of the more well known for a party school, that's for sure. Hey guys, so this is just a voice recording. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Please leave comments on ways that I can improve the video for you guys, the viewers. Um, Subscribe also. Click that subscribe button so you can keep up to date on any new videos that I post. Because I promise you, you know, hopefully with your guys' participation and your guys' advice and your comments that you guys leave, the video quality will get better, the editing will get better, and the production value overall will get better. And I plan on taking this definitely a few steps further. These videos are just a little short taste to see how I like to work things and how to make things easier and as safe as possible. And like I said, I plan on throwing places that you guys can go to, events that you guys can participate in, and just really explore Phoenix for you guys and just, you know, cruise together. And, you know, hopefully we can do live ones where I have someone driving for me and I can participate in responding back to your guys' comments and all that. So please like and subscribe, and please leave a comment on, you know, what I can do better, and also if you like my haircut, and if not, what should I have gotten instead. So thank you guys, everyone. Be safe out there. I love you all.